to our honored guest of honor speaker, which will be introduced later, to the senior commission officers, junior commission officers of the Bureau of Fire and non-commission officers, our guests from the DILG, represented by DILG Region 10, represented by Ms. Maria Maureen Kabakungan and Princess Ira Artao. To the members of the Philippine Integrated Fire Protection Organization, CDO chapter, represented by retired Fire Chief Superintendent Mario Socorro Timonera, sir. From the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, represented by Jail Superintendent Marlon Imbalya and Inspector Gary Magdali. Also, the Task Force Oro, headed by Technical Sergeant Joel Molina. And we have also here our community fire or auxiliary group, volunteer fire brigades, also our members of the CPAC from the different barangays of the city, headed by their respective barangay chairman, other guests. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Fire prevention is not just a once-a-year initiative. Saving lives, protecting properties, and keeping communities safe should be an everyday ongoing effort, because fire is a fickle friend. As a proverb tells us, fire is both a good servant and a bad master. It has a dual nature. It was a great tool for human civilization, a symbol of both destruction and development. While fire has made progress possible, the good that it brings to our everyday lives can be easily upstaged by the damage it can wreak on the entire community in a matter of minutes. The theme sa pag-iwas sa sunog, hindi ka nag-iisa, underscores both the need for public information when it comes to fire prevention and the necessity of public involvement in curbing the occurrence of fires. With that, let me welcome and thank our friends in the local government unit, our partners in the national government agencies, and to all our force multipliers who are here with us today as we kick off the observance of the Fire Prevention Month for this region. The Bureau of Fire Protection has organized series of activities and programs to equip everyone with the knowledge and tools necessary to prevent fires. I encourage all of you to visit your local fire station and take part in the activities. Prevention is not just about raising awareness. It is a shared responsibility of the BFP and the community. To my comrades in the BFP, let me re-echo the words of Secretary of the Interior and Local Government during the BFP Command Conference that the Fire Code of the Philippines and the revised IRR must be strictly enforced. Periodic fire safety inspection is a necessity. To the men and women in the BFP, I urge you, especially our fire safety educators on the ground, to keep spreading the good news like good evangelists that destructive fire is preventable with proper precautionary measures at home, school, or workplace. As the nation, so to the men and women in the PFP, let us stay visible in our communities, not just today, but every day. Let us strive to keep our communities safe from unwanted fire. As the nation enters the dry summer season, and as we begin our observance of the Fire Prevention Month, together let us work hand in hand to ensure a safe environment for all. Thank you and good morning, everyone.
Thank you very much to our Regional Director, Bureau of Fire Protection, Regional Office 10, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. Daniel. Sir.